Cambodia. Now I'm in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and we have just refreshed in the swimming pool, so now it's time to explore the city itself. Compared to Bangkok, Siem Reap is a much smaller and more quiet city, but if you know what I mean, it is less European. It is more like you would expect from an Asian destination than Bangkok. The people and the environment are totally different, though all of the people are very kind. So I'm very curious that tomorrow what I will think about Angkor. Because until now, Siem Reap is a very exciting destination. After visiting the central markets of the city, we went to Pub Street, which is the place of parties in Siem Reap. Which is Cambodia's Khao San Road, but it is less crowded, which is, to be honest, a good point. Now I'm in Angkor Wat, which is the center of Angkor and the biggest building here, and I can tell you that it is quite interesting to walk between the 90-year-old ruins and feel the history behind it. In front of the famous Elephant Terrace, which was the king's private terrace also, and that big place in front of it was the place where festivals and other celebrations take place, so it's very interesting to see that. Bayon Wat, which is famous for its secretly smiling Buddhas, as the ones surrounding me, and I think until now it is the best in Angkor, though there's one problem, is that there's too much tourists. Now we are at Phrom and it is just before 5 o'clock, which is the perfect time to enjoy it without tourists and to hear the sound of the forest. Listen. beautiful. I have to modify my opinion because I think this is the best until now. The trees which are conservated, and that's not what everyone knows. It's beautiful how they grown on top of the buildings. Look, it's 5 minutes to 5:30 when they will close, and I am the only one on this square. It's truly amazing. It is the perfect time to take some photos and videos, because at daytime there's too many mainly Chinese tourists. Now I'm in Angkor again. It is our second day here, and now we are at Banteay Srey, which is 1 hour motor ride from Siem Reap, and it was quite too long, but at least we can see the countryside of Cambodia. And in Siem Reap also, so I think this is the best place to say goodbye from you and from Angkor also. So have a nice day, happy travels, and see you again in the capital city of Cambodia called Phnom Penh.
Wait if I'm on fire.